Hello, future travelers. Welcome back to Legalopolis. Are you planning to visit the United States on a B1 or a B2 visa and wondering if you can work while you are there? In this video, we'll break down the rules and regulations surrounding work and employment on a B1 or a B2 visa so that you can understand your options and make informed decisions about your trip. From business meetings to tourist activities, we'll break down what's allowed and what's not on a B1 or a B2 visa, ensuring that you stay compliant with US immigration laws and avoid potential issues. Curious if you can work in the United States on these visas? Let's find out. Let's first understand what the B1 and B2 visas are for. The B1 visa is for business travelers. Here you can think meetings, conferences, and professional training. While the B2 visa, on the other hand, is all about leisure, tourism, medical visits, or visiting your family. But here's the key: neither visa allows you to work in the United States. These are not work visas, so understanding their limitations is essential for staying compliant with US immigration laws. Let's break down the restrictions on B1 B2 visa. The B1 B2 visa does not permit business related employment, working in the United States labor market, being hired by United States companies, or receiving a US based salary. The B1 visa is strictly limited to professional activities like attending business meetings and conferences, while, as you are aware, B2 visa is exclusively for tourism, leisure, family visits, etc. So, the overall rule is B1 B2 visas are no work visas with allowances only for specific business or leisure activities. Now let's understand, can you look for jobs or attend interviews while on these visas? Well friends, USCIS in 2003 allowed B1 and B2 visa holders to explore job opportunities and attend interviews while visiting the United States. Now this update is a game changer for networking and exploring career prospects in person. However, there's a critical rule: you cannot start working without the appropriate visa. And so, if you receive a job offer, before you start celebrating, you'll need to either change your visa status to a work authorized category like an H1B, or leave the United States, obtain the right work visa, and re enter before starting your job. Let's look at an example. Imagine this: you are in the United States on a B1 visa for a conference. During your downtime, you explore job openings and luckily land an interview. That's perfectly fine. But now you are offered a job. Now you must either adjust your visa status in the United States from a B1 B2 to a work visa, or you must exit and re-enter the United States with a valid work visa before starting work with this US-based employer. And here are some practical tips to make the most of your trip. Number 1, research and prepare. Look into potential employers and polish your resume to United States standards. Number 2, network strategically. Attend events, conferences, and meetups to build meaningful connections. And number 3, keep track of US immigration policies and the processes for converting to a work visa. So friends, to summarize, the B1 visa is for business-related travel while the B2 visa is for leisure and tourism. Neither visa allows paid work in the United States. Since 2003, you can search for jobs and attend interviews, but you cannot work on a B1 or a B2 visa. And in order to start working, you need to possess a valid work visa. And therefore, either a change of status or re-entry into the United States with the right visa is needed before your employment can begin. So friends, these changes create a unique chance for B1 B2 visa holders to network and explore the US job market. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing for more immigration related content. I wish you all the very best for your upcoming visa interview. May your application be met with success. And until next time, safe travels!